Swachh Pledge. Mahatma Gandhi. Dream of an India. Which was not only free, but also clean and developed. Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom for Mother India. Now it is our duty to serve Mother India by keeping the country neat and clean. I take this pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote time for this. I will devote 100 hours per year, that is 2 hours per week, to voluntarily work for cleanliness. I will neither litter, not let others litter. I will initiate the quest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my village, and my workplace. I believe that the countries of the world that appear clean are so because their citizens don't indulge in littering, nor do they allow it to happen. With this firm belief, I will propagate the message of Swachh Bharat mission in villages and towns. I will encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge, which I am taking today. I will endeavor to make them devote the 100 hours for cleanliness. I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness will help in making my country clean.
Second. Yes.